many fascinating products here at Securum. I want to know all about this one. This looks extremely heavy duty.
Yeah, this is a really secure lock. It's called our Smart Entry, and it is a door lock for either residential applications or commercial applications. Features our finger vein technology as well. So in this case, how this operates is this would be installed on your front door, and in order to gain access, you raise this, place my finger here, instantaneously it recognizes it's me and it opens for me. So it knows that it's me. I've registered my finger vein structure in this lock. Every time I approach it, it knows instantly it's me and lets me in, faster than a key.
So can I try as a non-registered person?
Sure, absolutely.
And let's see what happens if it opens it up for me?
Let's raise that. It's now active. Put your finger in there. And it's not going to do anything. You don't get in at all. Yeah.
That is so cool, though.
Only the people that you want to gain access to your home can now do that.
And how many, can the whole family have access
Sure.
to this? How many people at once can have access to it?
Yeah, you can register up to 30 fingerprints. And if you have a business application, we can actually do more than that. So it's available in standard 30 fingerprints, or we have applications for more than that as well.
I would imagine this would be very beneficial for rental home properties.
Absolutely. So one of the things we do with this is not only does it use finger vein technology, but we also connect this to our smart home app. So now what happens if I'm renting my vacation home out and you're coming in Saturday morning at 9 a.m., I can send you a guest invitation to be able to open this lock. And how that works is I send you a link to download the app, you download the app, you arrive at my front door, ready to start your vacation, you log into the app, you put in a code and it now says, oh, I see that you're here, I'll open the door for you. Would you like to use a finger vein template? If so, it'll instruct you how to do that. And now you can just open the door anytime you want. You don't have to bring a key or remember to return a key. When you leave, your fingerprint template's erased and it's ready for the next guest.
How does it get erased?
So the memory, when we create the template for you, we do it based on time. So we know where you're checking in Saturday morning at 9 a.m. and you're checking out Tuesday at 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., the system knows, take out that template.
So it was put in by the administrator, they know.
Yeah, that time parameter is put in by the administrator.
Wow.
Yeah.
How fascinating.
Yeah, very good.
Who is a typical customer for something so high-tech?
So it's residential applications. You could put this on your front door if you wanted at home. We often see it in apartment buildings where they're renting out units and they want to have a secure application. So we provide that there as well. In commercial applications, office locations where you want to lock a certain room with a high security system like this, you can do that as well.
Now, is there anything that you want to add about this product that I didn't ask you?
Yeah, a couple of things. It's a stylish product. Not only can I access it by my finger vein, but I can access it using the codes here on the side. There's a number template here that allows me to operate it by code. So if I didn't want to use my finger vein, for instance, I could always enter a code here that's been provided to me and it'll open as well. We can lock it out for visitors or add visitors. So if we decide we don't want this person gaining access, we can actually manually turn off visitor mode and that visitor can no longer come in now. So we can manage it that way as well. And then the other thing it'll do is it is internet connected. So it connects to that same smart hub that I showed you in the previous segment, and it allows you to then control it remotely. I can program it remotely. I can receive notifications from it remotely as well.
So does it have to have Wi-Fi in order to be able to work?
Yeah, no, not in order to work. It can be a standalone unit, so you don't have to have any connectivity. But if you decide you want remote connectivity and notifications coming to you, then that would be when you'd want to connect it to the internet. Yeah.
That is a very good-looking
One more I'm going to show you.
Yeah,
and that is, you talked about it being good-looking.
Show me everything.
This is kind of a stylish unit. It's a slimline unit, and this is a changeable cover. So if you want this to be gold, you can have it gold. If you want it to be blue, you can have blue. So this is just a replaceable cover to match whatever style you have.
That is very fancy.
Cool, huh?
Thank you.
All right.